The 80-ton cooling-only rentalized industrial air conditioner, featuring 2 independent refrigeration circuits and a high-static blower capable of producing 7,500 to 24,000 CFM for ducted applications. It is typically used by contractors, industrial customers, and large commercial operators requiring dependable, high-capacity temporary cooling. This unit is commonly deployed at refineries, data centers, large facilities, and event sites, or any location that needs robust, high-static cooling through extensive ductwork. The 80-ton is powered by 460 to 480 volt through a single set of Series 16 cam locks. The FLA, MCA, and MFS values shown for both versions of the 80-ton AC represent key electrical requirements for safe installation and operations. The following PPE is required when working with the 80-ton: hard hat, safety glasses, reflective vest, gloves, steel-toed shoes or boots. To run the 80-ton, turn main circuit breaker to on, airflow switch to on, adjust your VFD speed using VFD set point, scroll up or down, cooling selector switch on, cooling selector switch 1 and 2 to local, cooling set point, adjust up or down, to turn the unit off, turn the cooling switch to off, airflow switch to off, and finally main circuit breaker to the off position. When moving the 80-ton AC, use designated fork pockets. For crane operations, use designated lift points.